I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video.
Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
In this video, you're gonna see how I achieve this look on myself as well as the color, so just stay tuned. My hair is freshly washed, blow dried, and trimmed. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the parting methods that I did.
Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, no, hey. Someone watching this shit close, yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road, hey, road, hey. Might go down as G.O.D., yep. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Right here, I'm just showing you the best method I use in order to do my feed-ins. I just grip the hair with my palm and insert my index finger and my thumb, and that's what I use to feed in the hair. So I use Shine and Jam, and that's what I was showing you right there. I use that to slick my hair down in order for it to be better accessible for me to tuck into the color.
Hard to building trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
So as you can see right here, I definitely skipped a couple of things. I did an additional braid, feed-in braid, and then this is my third feed-in braid. I also made a couple of triangular parts with my natural hair, and I'm feeding those triangular parts into this braid.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you take me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be They ask, I get that ooh, baby. They ask, I get that ooh. They ask, I get that ooh, baby. They ask, I get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that Ask
woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you dare?
I know y'all probably wondering why I left that little braid out over there. But it's gonna go in the feeding. I promise you. You're gonna see where it's supposed to go.
Another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
12 seconds later.
Okay.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. Yeah. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something?